I think about Mark 10:45, but even the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve and give his life as a ransom for many. I think about what does it mean to be a leader, to look like and be conformed to the image of our Savior. I think it's service, and so I'm very blessed to have the opportunity to serve and look more and more and become more and more like my Savior, Jesus Christ.
I and my hall are here because if you look at the life of Jesus, it was a life of service, so we're called to be the hands and feet of the gospel. I think it's the opportunity that we get to put others first. It's a very sacrificial type of love, and it's really rewarding in the long term.